Terror, danger, and hard conditions. We are under fire. Despite all of this, we committed to continue the journey we've started with you. Today we are at Charity Australia International in partnership with the Khidmat Foundation Pakistan, preparing 500 hot meals for iftar for the needy and displaced people here in the north of Gaza Strip. And ready to share the ajr and distribute the meals with you. Thanks for being there for us.
نشكر الإخوة الداعمين للإفطار الصائم.
كل عام وانتم بخير وشكرا على الوجبات.